Count the objects and circle the correct number. Okay, count the candies. 1, 2.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, 8. Which one is number 8? Circle. Galing. Next, count the trees.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Yan. How about the flowers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Circle. Yay! Good job, baby! Okay, next letter B. Count the objects and write the correct number inside the box. No, you count it first. Sinulat mo din.
6.
Okay, pero baliktad ang 6 natin. Write it again. Okay? Okay. Write it properly. 6. Galing. Okay, how about the police car?
4.
4. You write number 4. That's it. Okay. Let us identify first the objects. Here, what is this?
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. How about this one? A sheep. Okay. How about this one?